November 14, Delhi Height woke up to another morning of toxic smog along with biting winter chills as temperature dipped to 11 degrees Celsius. In some areas, it marked a 4-degree departure. Delhi and its neighboring region, including Noida, Ghaziabad and Gurugram, woke up to an alarming air pollution crisis. The Air Quality Index or AQI skyrocketed to hazardous levels, with some areas like Anand Vihar and Vasant Vihar recording readings exceeding 1000 above, which is double the severe threshold. Thick smog engulfed the national capital region, significantly reducing visibility and causing severe health concerns. According to IQ Air and government monitoring station, the overall AQI has reached around 413 to 460 in many parts of Delhi. The primary culprit behind this is fine particulate matter, known as PM2.5 and PM10. These microscopic pollutants not only reduce visibility but pose several health risks by penetrating deep into the lungs and bloodstream. Adding to the crisis is the ongoing fire at Delhi's largest waste disposal site, that is Bhaswala landfill, which has been burning for days. These fires release noxious gases and particulate matter into the air, worsening the already dire situation. So to combat this crisis, the Commission for Air Quality Management enforced Stage 3 restriction of the Graded Response Action Plan or GRAP. This plan is categorized into 4 stages: poor, very poor, severe and severe plus, based on the AQI levels. Now under Stage 3, non-essential construction and demolition activities have been banned. BS3 petrol and BS4 diesel vehicles are prohibited and water sprinkling on road has been intensified. Physical classes for primary schools have been shifted to online, and interstate buses running on conventional fuel are restricted. Now, the primary contributor to Delhi pollution include vehicular emission accounting for 12% of the total pollution and stubble burning in the neighboring states. Satellite data revealed 200 active farms fire in Uttar Pradesh alone. Now, amid this pollution crisis, it has also sparked a political blame games. While Delhi Environment Minister Gopal Rai criticized neighboring state for inadequate action against stubble burning, opposition party demanded accountability from Delhi government for failing to control vehicular and dust pollution. So for Delhi people, they have to battle with the hazardous air with severe health risks looming over the region until long-term solutions are implemented. For now, the GRAP measures aim to mitigate the immediate concern, but a permanent solution remains a distant goal. Summarizing all the factors that are contributing to worse pollution crisis in Delhi are vehicular emission accounting 13% of the pollution, over 200 active farm fires recorded in neighboring state, persistent fire burning and Bhaswala landfill contribute majorly to the air pollution of Delhi, and seasonal fog act as a blanket trapping pollutant closer to the ground. Lastly, the industrial waste and dust pollution contribute significantly to PM2.5 and PM10 levels. Do protect yourself from this worst pollution crisis of Delhi, wear N95 masks and limit outdoor activities during peak hours.